Yo, truck enthusiasts and off-road adventurers. The king of the jungle is back, and he's meaner, leaner, and ready to reclaim his throne. I'm talking about the 2024 Toyota Tundra, a full-size pickup truck that's been redesigned from the ground up, packing more muscle, more tech, and more swagger than ever before. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore the best features and that killer new design of the 2024 Tundra. Design evolution, from workhorse to showstopper. Forget the boxy beast of yesteryear. The 2024 Tundra throws on a tailored suit while keeping its rugged heart. Think chiseled lines and sculpted surfaces that ooze sophistication, with a massive grille that declares, I mean business. But the Tundra isn't just about looking good. Every design element serves a purpose. The longer wheelbase and wider track improve stability and handling, while the high ground clearance lets you tackle any terrain with confidence. And those chunky fender flares and prominent skid plates? Not just for show, they say, bring on the rocks and mud. I'm ready. The Tundra is a chameleon, blending in with the city lights as effortlessly as it dominates off-road landscapes, unleashing the beast within. Powering this beast are two engine options, a refined 3.5-liter V6 with a twin-turbo kick, delivering 389 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, and a monstrous 3.4-liter hybrid churning out 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. That's right, this hybrid ain't just for Prius drivers. It combines fuel efficiency with monstrous power, letting you conquer trails and tow your weekend toys with ease. And speaking of towing, the Tundra boasts a best-in-class 12,000 pounds capacity, making it the ultimate workhorse for hauling your dreams, literally. But the Tundra isn't just about brute force. The 10-speed automatic transmission is smoother than butter, while the optional electronically controlled suspension lets you switch from highway cruising to rock crawling with the flick of a button. This truck takes handling and agility to a whole new level, proving that size doesn't mean clumsiness. More than just muscle, tech oasis in a rugged world. Step inside the cabin and prepare to be wowed. The Tundra's interior is a tech oasis with rugged charm. Think high-quality materials, spacious seating for your crew, and a panoramic sunroof that bathes the cabin in natural light. The driver-centric layout puts everything at your fingertips, from the massive touchscreen infotainment system to the intuitive climate controls. Plus, you get all the tech bells and whistles you crave, from wireless charging to a killer sound system, keeping you connected and entertained wherever the road takes you. But the Tundra hasn't forgotten its adventurous roots. There's ample storage space for your gear, including hidden compartments and fold-flat rear seats for maximum cargo capacity. And for those muddy boots? There's an optional water-resistant upholstery that takes workhorse to a whole new level. This interior is where practicality meets comfort, where you can plan your next off-road conquest or unwind after a long day's work, all in style. Safety first, adventure always. Toyota hasn't forgotten safety. The 2024 Tundra comes packed with advanced driver assistance features like pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. So, you can explore the unknown with confidence, knowing you and your crew are protected. The ultimate conclusion: more than just a truck. The 2024 Toyota Tundra is more than just a truck, it's a statement. It's for the go-getters, the adventurers, the ones who believe life is meant to be lived to the fullest. It's the perfect companion for your daily grind, your weekend getaways, and your spontaneous detours into the wild. It's a truck that says, I'm ready for anything. Bring on the city lights, the dirt roads, and the open sky. So whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or a city dweller with a case of wanderlust, the 2024 Toyota Tundra is calling your name. It's the perfect blend of brute force, tech sophistication, and rugged charm, ready to take you wherever your heart desires. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive adventures. And leave a comment below.